How to change DNS settings in Brave browser. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, launch the Brave browser application on your device. Now over here, what you simply need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on it, select settings option. Now scroll down, and under the options of over here features, you can see the option of Brave Shields and Privacy, so select on that. Now scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of Use Secure DNS. Simply tap on Use Secure DNS, and right now you have to toggle this on, and right now it's currently switched on for Use a current service provider. But if you want to change the DNS settings, you can simply tap on Choose another provider, and then you can also provide your custom URL, or you can select from different options over here. I'm going to select on clean browsing, and then you can just go back, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.